Hello everybody, this is Mark with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect drill brush set to clean your bathroom when it comes to your bathtub, tiles, porcelain, and shower heads? Well, check out this drill brush kit that contains 3 medium stiffness nylon power brushes that will attach to your favorite cordless drill. It includes 3 different sizes and shapes of brushes for cleaning around your bathroom surfaces. Consider this your new cleaning superpower. These nylon bristles will not scratch and can be used on tubs, sinks, tiles, baseboards, shower door tracks, and much more. These brushes also have a 1/4-inch quick change shaft, which is a huge time saver. So get ready to clean faster with speed and power. This kit will make cleaning less of a chore, which will give you more time to spend doing things that you really love to do. With that said, say goodbye to hand scrubbing. Thanks to this drill brush set, cleaning my bathroom is much easier, and that's just my point of view.